Hello friends, myself Dr. Umesh Garu, Assistant Professor, B.Sc Girls College in Jaipur. Here to deliver lecture on the title as given on the board, that is the gene evolution. The gene evolution means from the evolutionary time period from based on the how a gene is converted from the last time to from today's modern era. The first I want to start from the multi genes. In the evolution time period, there is the multiple genes have the groups of the similar genes which are derived from their ancestral genes, which are similar generally is their function and their structure. The multiple genes have the two types of the basic genes. That the first one is the non-functional and the second one is the functional gene. Non-functional gene like the stop codon. The stop codon, which is generally the stop the protein synthesis in our human body and the all eukaryotes. And the second one is the functional genes. We know all about the very well known is the globin. The globin is found in our the classification from start from the invertebrates and the vertebrates. We can see the globin from the our ancestrals, like the chimpanzees and the invertebrates and eukaryotes and the eukaryotes. And the second functional is the histone. Histone is the composition of our the genetic material, the DNA. The globin, which is found in a two groups, like the myoglobin, which is stored in the muscles, and the second one is the globin, which is stored in our blood. But in the non-functional, like the stop codon, the DNA, the four example of the stop codon as a non-functional is the human genome. The ALU gene, which is found in a human, have the 300 base pair and 3 lakh copies of their ALU gene. This is ALU gene is the 3% amount of the all body DNA of human body. Like same as the eukaryotes have the very less amount of the non-functional DNA, like the stop codon, which is a very less amount in the eukaryotes and rather than in the invertebrates. But in the functional group, the globin have the very large amount in our body from the ancestral time to, that is the myoglobin and the globin. The myoglobin, it means the DNA which is stored in our the muscles, and the globin, it is the very important part of our body, and that is the blood. The very large amount of the blood which is covered by the globin. It means the gene evolution, that is the multi-gene groups which have the two types of the genes, it called the multi-gene groups, which is from start from the ancestral to the today's modern era. We call that is the gene evolution. For more detail, please log on to gurukpo.com. Thank you and thank you.